Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice yummy. First, select the appropriate rice variety, whether it's long grain, short grain, or basmati for your recipe. Next, rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes extra starch for a fluffier texture. Finally, measure your water and rice accurately, usually using a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice for most types. Once your rice and water are in the pot, bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and resist the urge to peak. Let it cook undisturbed for about 15 minutes, allowing the steam to do its magic. After the cooking time, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 to 10 minutes. This step allows the rice to absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly tender. Now, for extra flavor, stir in a tablespoon of butter and a pinch of salt. You can also add fresh herbs like cilantro or a squeeze of lemon juice. Finally, gently fluff your cooked rice with a fork to separate the grains before serving. This makes it light and airy, ready to complement any meal. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, yummy rice with your favorite curries, stir-fries, or grilled meats. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.